Are you the Cabbage Lady? Lisa gets asked this question a lot when she's out and about. Why? Because 14 million views and upwards of that's viral. And it's all starting with Drew's recipe for cooking cabbage on the grill. With each repost, the numbers are the same, creeping up sometimes to the millions again. You can see pictures here of the steps of him doing it for the grill. Drew's original video of 3B cabbage has over 20 million views and set Lisa's page spiraling up into the viewership she has today. With his friends, Drew cooked cabbage combined with bacon and beer and butter, the 3Bs. Since that time, Drew has given his mother some tips on how he has done the cabbage on the grill. He's cooked it for parties, and he and his mom have done it in the oven and stovetop. Many viewers have jumped in and tried their own rendition and sent their photos in for the page. We really appreciate that. The cabbage falls apart, having been cooked slowly. You barely need to cut it. And when you eat it, it melts in your mouth. It can have a bit of a kick to it if you've added certain spices. Of course, the secret to the flavor is in the 3Bs. Beer can be replaced with apple juice if you're not a beer user, and the butter, of course, and bacon. Both of Lisa's sons are great cooks, and we always enjoy seeing them in the videos with their mom. But it's amazing to think that their idea of her having a vlog in the first place and them jumping in to help her cook have really been what put cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real on the map, along with Lisa's great personality and her own cooking skills. Check out the cabbage video on YouTube.